I don't even know where florist came from. And I was just like, oh, that's something I can do with my hands. I can be creative and I can get paid to do it. I wasn't sure which way to go. Like, did I just go work in a shop or should I go and do formal training? And yeah, going and actually doing those 2 years at TAFE was fantastic. I'm a wedding and event florist, also specialising in floristry education. I'm based in far north Queensland in Port Douglas. It's great. I love being creative, and floristry is an artistic form that you can do and it's still commercial. You can still get paid to do it. You sort of see how something flows in nature, then you can sort of try and capture that and then do that, you know, in your designs. So I find nature's really inspiring, especially living up here when you've got so much green outside your door. The human being is evolved to feel more relaxed in nature. You know, just going for a walk makes you feel better. So we get to sort of play with that every day. Floristry, you can also get more involved in making those structures and those mechanics, and that's the side that I quite enjoy. Get the drill out, get the saw out, start making some big stuff. I quite like that. And I sort of think my mind works in a way that I can sort of see a structure and figure out how to make it come together, whether it's sort of making the pattern of it or, you know, what pieces need to come together and how it all works. You know, we play with a lot of garden flowers, roses and carnations and, you know, dahlias, all of those they're beautiful, but they're all very similar forms and they come in, you know, similar colour palettes, whereas the tropicals are just so different. They're just out there by themselves, I think. But yeah, I'd love just at the end when it's all done and then you can see the whole room with all the flowers. I just love that when you can change the whole mood of a space with the flowers. And our growers are down, so they're in Kuranda, so they're about just over an hour, sort of south of where I am. The orchid supplier, he's in Atherton, so again, like that's just over an hour drive to get all of that. So I'm at a point in my career where I think I've been doing a lot of the same. I really want to challenge myself and do something a lot bigger. Also want to showcase it to other people. But yeah, mainly it's about that challenge, really sort of push yourself out of the comfort zone to do something, you know, extraordinary, hopefully.